Alright, what are you doing?
Alright. Alright.
Okay. Give away some stuff.
I know. Alright, here we go. Hey, this is Jason with the Roush Woodworks YouTube channel. And most of you know my wife, Shayna. You want to say hi?
Hi!
We're making this video so we can announce the winners of the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. We had 729 entries. So anyways, just want to talk about the sponsors for the giveaway and what we have. I want to thank Microjig. They gave us a gripper kit as well as a t-shirt, a Work Smarter t-shirt. I don't have those here. Those are going to be drop shipped from Microjig. So as soon as we get the winners tonight, we'll give them your information and they will ship it to you. I'll be contacting everyone after I do this video so that way you'll know for sure that you won. Also, Bessie Clamps. They donated 4 of these clamps here. These are actually mine. The clamps will be drop shipped from Bessie, but I had 4 of them that I could lay out to show.
What kind?
These are, you would say that, these are, I believe, 8-inch bar clamps. They're the standard Bessie bar clamps. These things are a staple in my shop. I've got a bunch of them, and they're really nice. And you're getting a set of 4 of them, whoever wins the Bessie clamps. Carter Products, 3 DVDs here, which I believe are all hosted by Alex. They are. So not only will you get the DVDs, but you get to watch Alex. So there's a bonus there. And Brusso Hardware. I want to thank Brusso Hardware for being very generous and sending us several things. The prize packet we're giving away is 2 sets of their premium hinges. These things are just beautiful. They're all brass. Best quality I think I've ever seen in any hinges. Also, this is their screw wax, which is it's supposed to be for you put it on the threads and it allows you to put the screws in the hardwood or whatever a lot easier without splitting the wood. So that's good. Let's see what else. Titebond. This is a prize from Roush Woodworks from us. This is our sponsored. It's all 3 Titebond 1, 2, and 3. It's just a set that'll go to 1 person. And let's see. Oh, this is kind of like the big prize that we're giving away. You may have seen the video I did a while back about the Rockwell Vibra-Free sander. I was trying to decide what to do with it, and I decided, why not just give it away during the giveaway? So we're going to be giving this away. It is slightly used, and it's got some dust still in the dust bin here, but that's okay. It works great.
No extra charge. No
extra charge for the dust. So we'll send you that along with the extra sanding pads it came with, and there is a little zipper pouch that goes in, so we'll send you that. And the last prize is a prize pack from Roush Woodworks. It's a Roush Woodworks shirt, just like the one I'm wearing, some stickers, and a bunch of pencils. So those are all the prizes. So without further ado, let's go ahead. I am going to have this thing randomly select 10 winners. So we have a total of 10 winners. Here's our winners. So first prize. Let's see. We'll work down to the sander. So first up will be the Microjig gripper kit. That is Marsh Wildman. Let's see here, Wildman Tech. So you're gonna get the gripper kit. That was a retweet of our Twitter tweet.
Awesome.
Next prize is the Microjig t-shirt. That is Dynel. It's just Dynel. It's Dynel Robertson. And that was subscribing to our YouTube channel. Dynel, I hope I'm saying that right. Congratulations. Okay, next on the list is Dana Matthews. Dana Matthews, you win the Bessie clamps.
Also a subscriber to the Woodworks channel on YouTube.
Yep. Okay, let's see, what next? Brusso Hardware is going to Joan Cubes. It's K-U-B-E-S, Cubes. Joan Cubes. And that was for a retweet on Twitter. So thank you, Joan, and congratulations. Okay, now we'll do the DVD. So I'm going to randomly ship one of these to each of all the 3 winners of the DVD. So you'll get one of these 3 DVDs here. The first winner is Ray DeVello. Congratulations. You get one of the Carter Products DVDs. Next one is Rory Marion. Rory Marion. You also get one of the DVDs. And the last is, for the DVDs, is Justin Upel, or Uppel, I think it's Upel. And that was for following us on Google+. So thank you, Justin. Okay, the next winner for the Titebond glue is Amanda. It just says Amanda Van Mant. Van Mant. That's the best I have. I have the emails here, so I'll be contacting these people.
Looks like she's subscribed to the Roush Woodworks YouTube channel.
Yep.
Thank you.
Roush Woodworks prize pack is going to Cassandra Derensborg. Cassandra Derensborg. You win the shirt, stickers, and pencils. Congratulations. And that was for liking us on Facebook. Thank you. Okay, and the final prize is for the Rockler Vibra Sander, or Vibra Anti-Vibe Sander, and that goes to Amber Chandler. Amber Chandler, congratulations.
Awesome.
And that was for a retweet on Twitter, so thank you very much.
It's a big prize.
Alright, I just really want to thank everyone for helping us get to this milestone of 5,000 subscribers. I started this channel, what, about 4 years ago now?
At least.
4 years ago, and it started with, I think the first week the channel was out, I maybe had 10 subscribers. And just over time, you know, by posting more videos and being involved with the community, it's grown and grown and grown. And we have a lot more coming. I want to thank everyone for the support of the channel. I also want to take a minute to just thank everyone for their support for my family and Shayna in her recovery after her accident. The outpouring of love and support from everyone really meant everything to us. And I wanted to thank you for that. And I'm sure Shayna...
Yeah, thank you guys very, very much.
As you can tell, she's doing a lot better now. She's up on her feet. Slow recovery, but she's doing really well.
We're getting there. Thank you guys.
And again, I want to thank everyone, and we'll see you probably at the 10,000 mark. That'll be the next time we do a giveaway. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.